Hello, friends. Today I will tell you about the LG Stylo 5 smartphone. It is a great choice for those who like to draw, take notes, or are just looking for an affordable and reliable smartphone with a convenient stylus. Let's figure out what this device offers. Let's start with the design. The LG Stylo 5 looks stylish and neat with large frames at the top and bottom, which is typical for budget smartphones. On the back panel, there is a fingerprint scanner and a camera, as well as the LG logo. As for the screen, we have a 6.2-inch Full HD Plus display with a resolution of 2160 by 1080 pixels. It is not AMOLED, but it is a decent IPS screen with good color rendering and clarity. The screen brightness is quite enough for comfortable use outdoors. The main feature of the LG Stylo 5, of course, is the built-in stylus. It is very convenient for drawing, taking notes, working with documents, and much more. LG offers several useful features for working with the stylus. For example, you can take screenshots and draw on them right away, open notes even when the screen is off, and this really speeds up the work. Now about the performance. Inside the device, there is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 processor and 3 GB of RAM. Yes, these are not flagship specifications, but for everyday tasks such as social networks, watching videos, and even light games, the power is enough. The smartphone runs on Android 9 Pie, which is also not bad for this segment. Now about the cameras. The main camera of the LG Stylo 5 has a resolution of 13 megapixels. It takes good pictures in good lighting, although in low light conditions, the quality drops. The front camera of 5 megapixels is standard for budget phones, suitable for selfies and video calls. The battery of the LG Stylo 5 is 3,500 mAh, which is enough for one full day of moderate use. When watching videos or using the stylus, battery life may be reduced, but overall the smartphone shows good results. Conclusion. In summary, the LG Stylo 5 is a good budget smartphone for those who want a device with a functional stylus and are not ready to spend a lot of money. It is perfect for students, creative people, or those who like the convenience of working with notes and multimedia. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss new reviews.